Welcome to the section of this course. Today I will be explaining limits, how to solve limits by factorizing methods. Okay. Now there I have listed around 5 limits we will solve by factorizing way. Okay. Now the first one is limit of x square plus 3x minus 10 upon x minus 2 where x tends to 2. Okay. Now since limit is x tends to 2, okay, when we put x equals to 2 over here, these limits become indeterminate. Okay, it's undefined. Okay. So now we have to solve or we have to factorize or we have to manipulate. Okay. Now this, let's try to split this one. Okay, this is quadratic form. Let's try to split. Now consider this. Okay, here we have x square coefficient is what? 1. Okay, and then constant term is what? 10. Okay, if we multiply 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. Okay. Now we have to search two numbers such that if you multiply, we should get minus 10, and if you add, we should get 3. Okay. The best way is break 10 from smallest. Okay, to 5. Let's see. Okay. Now if I write 5 and 2. Okay. Now, if I give, since we need plus over here, okay, if we give plus, minus, let's see, we need two numbers such that if you multiply that two number, we should get minus 10, and if you add, we should get plus 3, okay, that is plus 5 and minus 2. Why? Because if I add these two, I will be getting plus 3. If I multiply this into this is minus 10, okay. Therefore, instead of 3x, what we can write is plus 5x minus 2x. Okay, therefore this is called factorizing. Limit of x tends to 2 x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 upon x minus 2. Okay, now from here I can take x common. Okay, let's see, limit of x tends to 2. If I take x common, then I will be getting x plus 5, and here I can take minus 2 common. Here I will get x plus 5 because minus twice x plus minus 5 to the 10. Okay, upon x minus 2 is equals to limit of x tends to 2. Now from here I can take x plus 5 common. Okay, if I take x plus 5 common, I will getting x minus 2. This is same as x plus 2 x minus 2 into x plus 5 upon x minus 2. This x minus 2 and this x minus 2 gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. We have x plus 5 when limit x tends to 2. Okay, now if we substitute when x equals to 2, then 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, now let's see next sum. Okay, where limit of x tends to 0, x cube minus 8 upon x minus 2. Okay, here limit of x tends to 2, x cube minus 8 upon x minus 2. Now it is x cube minus, instead of 8 we can write a cube minus 2 cube. Okay, here we have a cube minus b cube is a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. We can use this formula. So in limit of x tends to 2, x cube minus 2 cube upon x minus 2, limit of x tends to 2, here I will be getting x minus 2, and then numerator denominator will get cancelled, and after that we can put limit x equals to 2. Okay, we'll get answer. So here I have x minus 2, a minus b, a square, x square plus ab means twice x plus 2 to the 4 upon x minus 2. Now this x minus 2 gets cancelled. When x equals to 2, by substituting, the limit is defined. Okay. So therefore, when x equals to 2, we have 2 to the 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4. We have 12. And this is the answer for 2. Okay. Now 3. Limit of x tends to 4, x square minus x minus 12 upon x square plus x minus 20. Okay. Now here this we have to split. Okay, we have to factorize this numerator as well as denominator. Okay, since x tends to 4, I hope you will get some factor of x minus 4 or x plus 4. Okay, let's see. Now we have the coefficient of x square is what? Plus 1. Here we have minus 12. Okay, so if we multiply plus 1 and minus 12, we are getting minus 12. Okay, let's factorize 12. 2 6 2 3 okay. So we can combine 4 and 3. Why? We have to search two numbers such that if we multiply, we should get minus 12. If we add, we should get minus 1. Okay, here the coefficient of x is minus 1. So if we add, we should get minus. Therefore, it's better to give minus 4x. So minus 4 into plus 3 is how much? Minus 12. Okay, 4 3 is 12, and if we add these two, we'll get minus 4. Okay, so instead of this minus x, we can write minus 4 and plus 3. Okay, what about this? What about this? Okay, this here same. Okay, here 1 into minus 20 is we have minus 20. Okay, we want two numbers such that if we multiply here, you break 20. Here 20 is 2 into 10 to 5. Okay, we can combine 4 and 5. Okay, so let's write 4 and 5. Let's see, 4 and 5. We need to get plus 1. Okay, therefore if I write this, minus 4 into plus 5 is minus 20, and if you add these two, you will get only x. Okay, so therefore this is same as limit of x tends to 4. Instead of this, what I can write is x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. Because of this, minus 4 and plus 3. Over here, x square, instead of plus x, what we can is minus 4x plus 5x minus 20. Okay, now is equals to limit of x tends to 4. Now if I take x common, here I will have x minus 4. If I take plus 3 common, x minus 4. Similarly, here I can take x common, x minus 4 plus, if I take 5 common, x minus 4. Okay, now here is equals to limit of x tends to 4. Okay, now here we have x minus 4. We can take x minus 4 common. Okay, if I take x minus 4 common, I will be getting x minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, here we have x minus 4 into x plus 3. Similarly, here if I take x minus 4 common, I will have x plus 5. Okay, x minus 4, x plus 5. This x plus 4 gets cancelled. When x tends to 4, okay, the limit is defined. When x tends to 4, I will be getting what? 4 plus 3 is 7, upon here 9. Okay, this is the required answer for 3. Okay, now let's solve for 4. Also what we have to do is we have to factorize. Okay, we have to split the middle term. Here also we have to split the middle term. Okay, now let's see. 4, we have limit of x tends to 5, x square minus 9x plus 20 upon x square minus 6x plus 5. Okay, now let's split the middle term. Now 1 into 20 is what? Plus 20. Let's split 20. Okay, 20 is same as 4, 5. Okay, so I can write 4, let's see 5. Okay, so we need to get what? If I add these two, I am getting 9x, 9. If I multiply these two, plus 20. Okay, perfect. Another is what? Here I can this is very simple. Okay, instead of 6x, what we can is here 5. Okay, so 5 is 6x is same as 5. Okay, we want to split 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, so we need to search two number such that if we multiply, then we should get 5. Okay, and if we add, then we should get 6. Okay, here minus 1 minus 5. Okay, therefore limit of x tends to 5, x square instead of 9x, what we can do is minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 upon x square minus 5x minus x plus 5. Okay, instead of this here, okay, here 5x minus 1, instead of 9x, 4x, 5x. Okay, if we multiply minus 4 into minus 5, we are getting 20. Here also minus 1 into minus 5 into plus 1 is 5. Okay, therefore limit of x tends to 5. From here I can take x common. If I take x common, then x minus 4. Here I can take minus 5. Here x minus 4, 5 4s are 20. I am getting plus. Similarly, I can take x common. X minus 5 minus x minus 5. Why? Because minus plus minus x. Okay, similarly we can take common over here. We can take x minus 4 common. Similarly in here also I can take x minus 5 common. Okay, here if I take x minus 4 common, what I have is x minus 5. Similarly, if there is nothing, we can write 1 over here. Okay, minus 1. Therefore it is same as x minus 5 into x minus 1. Okay, x minus 5 gets cancelled. When x tends to 5, when x equals to 0, here it's defined. We have different value. Okay, here 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, this is the required answer for 4. Now let's solve 5. We here 5 also we have to numerator we have to split the middle term. Okay, here we have x cube. Let's see. I think we can take x square common. 5 is limit of x tends to 3, x square minus x minus 6 upon x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. Okay, now 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Okay, so split minus 6 is minus 3 2. Is it okay? Here If I multiply this minus 3 and 2, I am getting minus 6. If I add these two, I am getting minus. Okay. So this is same as limit of x tends to 3, x square minus 3x plus 2x plus, sorry, minus 6 upon, from here, okay. From here, what I can do is, I can take x square common, okay. If I take x square common, then x minus 3, okay, here plus 1 x minus 3, okay. Similarly, we can take a limit of x minus 3. From here, I can take x common, x minus 3 plus 2. If I take, I'll get x minus 3 because 3 2s are 6, minus 6, okay. Similarly, here I can take x minus 3 common. If I take x minus 3 common, I have x square plus 1. From here, limit of x tends to 3, x minus 3 into x plus 2 upon x minus 3, x square plus 1. Okay, I'm taking x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 common. If I take x minus 3, x minus 3 common, I have remaining x plus 2. Here x minus 3 I have, here x plus 2, okay. Here I can cancel x minus 3, x minus 3. Then if I put x, if I substitute x equals to 3 over here, okay, numerator as well as denominator, the function is defined. Then function is not indeterminate form, or you can say it's defined. Therefore, when x equals to 3, you substitute x equals to 3 over here. 3 plus 2, you'll get 5. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1, 10, okay. This is the required answer. These are some examples for limit by methods of factorization, okay.